If your furnace pilot light or ignition is failing, it's crucial to address the issue promptly. Common symptoms include a pilot light that won't stay lit or an ignition that fails to spark. Causes can range from a faulty thermocouple or ignition module to a clogged pilot tube or improper furnace maintenance. As a homeowner, you can perform safe checks like ensuring the furnace filter is clean and the thermostat is set correctly. However, never attempt to repair or replace the ignition module, thermocouple, or gas valve, as these tasks require professional expertise and specialized tools. A qualified technician will diagnose the issue, clean or replace the faulty component, and ensure the furnace is functioning safely and efficiently. Remember to schedule annual furnace maintenance, check and replace the furnace filter regularly, and ensure proper ventilation around the furnace to prevent future issues. If you notice any urgency or emergency warning signs, such as a strong gas smell or smoke, contact a qualified technician immediately.